Hello students. Today we want to discuss about where is research material. Many students come with this complaint that I'm unable to find material relevant with my research. Though the topics are very similar, very common, yet they complain that they are not finding material. So I want to discuss that. Where is research material? Are tons of materials for you. So where is it? Let's find. How to search your target material. First of all, find any book and go to its reference section. Some books have references in the end of every chapter. Some books have references in the end of the book. Go over there, you will find hundreds of other references. So with one book, you are able to find hundreds of other relevant titles. In the same way, when you find one research paper, go to its reference section, you will find many other papers, many other books. Wikipedia is a very good source of information. You will find all information in a very compact manner. But academia, especially in Pakistan, they say that Wikipedia is not a reliable source, so you should not give its reference. What's the solution? Solution is when they give any information, they write number 1, 2, 3, as you can see here, 55, 56, 57. Nowadays, they have attached one PDF file with every material. Suppose from Russia with love, here is a PDF. Just click it, open it, and you can give its a direct reference. So if you just go to Wikipedia, you can access almost more than 50 references. They are present in the end of the Wikipedia article. Go to Google Books, as I have told you earlier. When you write any topic, go to Google. Over there is a word more, M-O-R-E, more. Click on it, then you will find Google Books. Click on it and you will find so many books on your topic. Those books which start with the title of handbook of, those books are very simple and for the beginner level. Try to find out those books. Suppose you are working on corpus, handbook of corpus, or an introduction of corpus, a companion to corpus studies, or corpus linguistics. I have told you earlier there is a SiteFast website for making references. If you go to this website is used for generating references. Over there, just write your article or your book name and click. You will also find the most cited articles or references. So here I want to argue or want to convey that finding material is very easy. Okay, now you have got the names, but where are the books? You want to get A to Z full-fledged book which can be read, which can be printed, which can be used in any way. So here I have shared the link, bok.org. This is the link. The reason is that they change the link after every 2-3 months. So keep on checking. You will find millions of books are here and millions of research papers are present, and all books are easily downloadable. You will find different types of books like Mobi Reader and EPUB. You should download these softwares. They are free to download. So some books are in PDF form, some books are in EPUB, and some books are in Mobi Reader. So download Mobi Reader as well as EPUB. There is bookfi.net. You can get books from this source. There is Library Genesis, GenLib. You can find books on any topic. Archive.org. You will find text, web, audio softwares on this source. There is a website journ.org. You will find different chapters of the books, theses, and research papers. Gutenberg project. If you are working on literature, you will find big databases. Suppose old Shakespeare's work is present here. In the same way, Gutenberg is the representative of big data. You will find all repositories of one author, all written work of one author at one place. There is another is Hathi Trust. In Hathi Trust, you will also find big data or voluminous material regarding one author. There is books.google.com. These books are only readable. So, with the help of these seven or eight sources, you can access all books. I have checked all these sources, all of them are functional. But problem is that some students apply these things on their mobile phones, so they also face some problems. How to get research papers? While you are writing a thesis, you give references to research papers. So how will you find references, or how will you find research papers? First source is uh, Google Scholar. Go over there, you will find you can easily download. Second source is bok.org, and I have shared the link with you. There are also millions of articles on every topic. You can download them. Uh, just register yourself, and in one day you can download 10 articles or 10 books. There is a Sci-Hub. Sci-Hub, you can get paid papers free of cost. This is a wonderful site. The organizer has compiled or has got all the research papers which are paid one, but in this source you can get all of them free of cost. There is a Cog Prints. Cog Prints, so you will also get research papers concerning with computational linguistics. Gen.org, I have mentioned earlier, you can also get books as well as research papers. There is academia.edu. Here you can make your own profile and you can also download research papers. HEC Digital Library is also serving you. HEC has bought many repositories of journals, and you can take different research papers from this source. There are certain publishers: Sage, JSTOR, Springer, Elsewhere, Routledge, Oxford, Cambridge, Tyler, and Francis. You can also go to their own homepages, and there is also a search option like Google search engine. You will write your topic and you can find research papers regarding your topic, and that company has published those research papers. Here I want to give you a clue that sometimes you want to send your research paper to Tyler and Francis, and Tyler and Francis will publish those papers which have cited so many research papers from Tyler and Francis. Another good point of Tyler and Francis is that it publishes research papers free of cost in WXY categories. Same is the case with Sage. Sage is also a wonderful academic source based in UK. Here you can also explore research papers, download research papers, and it also publishes research papers free of cost. So the purpose is not to just write research papers. The purpose is to write your research paper and then send for publishing them. Okay. Previously, we discussed how to get books, how to get research papers. Now, we'll discuss how to get theses and dissertations. Master level works are called theses, and PhD level works are called dissertations. There is a ProQuest.com. ProQuest.com is also a database of theses, books, audios, and some other material. Secondly, there is a BrighamAC.uk. I'm very sorry, birmingham.ac.uk. You can also find thesis from here. And there is a hub, Hong Kong University. You can also get thesis from Hong Kong University. You will register yourself, and then you will search your relevant thesis, and then they will send you the thesis in your email. There is also dissertations.sc. You can also download theses from this link. There is in Pakistan Research Repository. I have also shared its link with you, pwr.hec.gov.pk. You can also get all works which have been all theses which have been published in Pakistan. You can get all those theses. So I have discussed with you how to get books, research papers, and theses. But still, you want to stay up to date in your domain. A scholar must remain up to date in his or her domain. There is Google Scholar Alert. Suppose you have written your topic, like your topic is regarding mnemonics. You have written it. Then on the left hand side, you will find Create Alert. Look at this word. Click on it. It will show here. You will write alert query. You will write the main theme of your work or domain of your work. You will write your email here, and then you will select a number of results, 10 results. Then you click here, create alert. Then they will send you an email. Go to your email inbox and activate it. Then you will find that after every week, you will find almost 10 new research works. So, in this way, material is running after you. Your desired material is coming into your email box, and all material is up to date and new. Second source is NetVibes. Go to this website. Over there, create dashboard. Click on it, and then it will um, create your domain. For instance, it will tell you that what is happening in your key domain just 10 seconds ago, just 10 minutes ago, what has happened. Whatever people are writing in social media and in other platforms, you can get all the material. Third source is access those groups in social media, those groups which are related with your work. Twitter is the best source as I consider, and all academic groups are there. You can access the people, you can access the organizations, labs. Okay, you should also learn from videos. YouTube is a wonderful source. If you want to download those videos, Torch browser should be downloaded. Torch browser has inbuilt torrents. University lectures are there, and there are webinars are there. You can also go to Coursera, MOOC to get latest courses to improve your skill. So here I have shared with you books, research papers, theses, and social media platforms and videos. I think when you create alerts, books and research papers are running after you. So if you follow and if you utilize all these sources, you will find trillions of material for your trillions of books, research papers for your research. So another point which I want to highlight, that is currency. Currency mean up to date work. Try to, especially in technology, language technology, try to find out those works which have been written in past 5 years. You should also give reference to the most cited work. So I think by following these instructions, you would be able to get a lot of material for your research as well as for writing literature review. Thank you so much. Best wishes.